Hi everyone, welcome back again. If this is your first time, I am Katia Valino. We have fun, we dance. Thank you so much for coming back to this channel. If you are new, please hit the red subscribe button and don't forget to also click on the notification bell so that you'll be one of the first people to know when I upload a video. We have fun in this community and we are looking to grow as much as we can. So don't forget to even give this video thumbs up, click the share button to share to all your friends, and then before we get started. Okay, so today we are talking about kiwi. This is the season and the time contains a lot of antioxidants. It's powerful, it is very enriched in vitamin E and vitamin C. It will help to fight free radicals. I am going to show you how you can make kiwi scrub with white sugar. Yes, kiwi, white sugar and green tea. The back of the kiwi is what contains a lot of all these vitamins, vitamin E and C. Inside of the kiwi contains a lot of fiber. It will help you go every day and it will help to smoothen your skin from inside out. But because we are going to be making a mask, we will be using both the inside and the outside. Kiwi is all washed. I'm going to take it the way it is, including the back. So I have the blended kiwi, both the skin and the inside, in this bowl here. I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of white sugar or 1 tablespoon of white sugar. You want to mix it around. White sugar will make your skin to retain moisture and slough away the dead skin on your skin. So you have 2 options here. You can either use it like this or you can add green tea. Green tea is what has a lot of healing properties as well to help to rejuvenate your skin. So 2 options, kiwi with white sugar or kiwi with white sugar and green tea. The green tea that I'm going to be using today is the fine green tea, matcha green tea. I am also adding half teaspoon of matcha green tea. Now, in case you want to add green tea and you don't have matcha green tea, just take 1 bag of green tea, open it up and dump it into the mixture. This is good as well, but I love matcha green tea. It has given it the paste consistency.
So, it's time. This is the coolest cool, as in temperature, mask that you can ever think of. It's very cool. It wakes up the dead capillaries on your skin.
After applying the mask, you need to give it 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're gonna wash it off. Stay here and after 10 minutes of leaving the marks on your face, you can wash it out. I am feeling the tingling sensation. You have to let it stay on your face as long and as much you can tolerate. Okay, it's opening up the blood vessels and trying to restore the collagen production. After washing it off, you are free to use your best moisturizer. I am just going to spray some. I'm just spraying some toner. So give it time to absorb into your system and then you can go ahead and apply your moisturizer. This is if you use a toner. If you don't use a toner, just go ahead and apply your moisturizer. Whatever is left over, you can store in the fridge and use 2 to 3 times more because it's fruits and there is no preservatives. Thank you guys for all your time. Okay, thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys think and don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already subscribed. Hit the red button and also click on the notification bell so you will know when I upload a video. Thank you so much and see you. Bye.